Hello everyone friends, on the channel today I will show you how to increase the size of the clock. Boot here on the phone, respectively, Android on the phone, that's it. This is done through respectively the developer mode. Go to settings, about phone, and click many times on OS version, that's it. And you will become a developer. I don't need it anymore because I'm already a developer, that's it. Next, we need to go to these very developer settings. Well, here scrolling down, advanced settings, and here we have our developer settings. Well, here we are looking for drawing, yes, so to speak. That's it. Searching, searching, searching. Drawing, drawing. And here we have small vest vid called this option. And here we need to enter just a smaller number that will be convenient for you. Here I am leading 150. Here I will immediately show how it will change the phone. You see, our hours have increased accordingly. You can even enter 50. Accordingly, they will be even larger. I think this is the maximum at the moment. I think you can try 100, but I'm not sure that anything will change. That's it. Well, that is in this way. That's it. Just look for what your minimum number is. Yes, I have 150 most likely. Yes, that's it. On this phone, it is done in this way. Well, for example, on other phones, it can be in other settings like personalization. Here you can go to the fonts and enlarge the font. It can also help. Or in the display settings as well, it can help, that's all. Ever was with you, like subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.